Hello, welcome back to Painting Classic Cars. Hopefully you can hear us. We're outside, sun's out, it's breezy and the seagulls are quiet at the minute, but we'll crack on. First off, shout out to this week's t-shirt sponsor, this rather tight freebie from Snap-on dealer Clive. Thanks Clive, appreciate that mate. We are going to be changing the format up a little bit, doing a few different things. Static photo videos and walk around videos, and we're going to be doing some live action stuff as well. So, and now all the vans start to come in. So talking of vans, we've got this little beauty who's just turned up here. We get all the good stuff, you may think, but this genuinely is the good stuff. This is a late model Mark III smiley face transit. As you can see, it's quite a thing. And it's going to be quite a thing. This is a 2-litre Cosworth powered T5 manual gearbox, rear wheel drive. It's a bit of a beast. Unfortunately at the minute it's a bit of a rotten beast. So what we're going to be doing is, as I say, along with our sort of historic videos that we've done, we'll do a few videos on the products that we use and the static photograph videos as well. We're going to kind of serialise, we think, this transit so you can see how this progresses through all the metalwork stage, shaping, levelling again, which I know we've kind of covered in some of the old videos, but we'll try and do this as a step by step, give you an idea, almost real time, as to how these things progress. Now, this is the van as it was delivered to us today. It has already had a lot of work done to a really high standard on the front end. A lot of the front panel work is already done. So front chassis legs, front panel, all the bulkhead work is done. We'll give her a bit of a clean up and get it in and onto the scissor lift this afternoon. But there is still a hell of a lot to do, and as we walk round you'll see there are repairs. You know, there's a rear quarter panel to fit. It does need a new load floor put into it. Inner and outer sills need doing. There's still quite a few repairs to do around the top of the panels at the back here where it meets the roof. It's there's still a lot of work to do on the van before we get into the good stuff, getting it in colour. So we just thought this would make a good introductory video to this project as it's coming live and fresh to us. I'll probably put this video out on a Saturday morning. It's currently Monday morning, so we would have had the van a week, I'd imagine, by the time you see this. We wouldn't have done a lot by then, but we will clean down and ascertain exactly where we're going with it. But you can see with these stills here that there's a lot of work to do on this, and we look forward to cracking on with it and bringing you guys along for the ride. So, let's say, along with this, we will still be doing our more traditional videos as we've been doing in the past couple of months, and we'll throw in a few part 2, part 3, part 4, etc. as we progress with the build on this transit. So that's it, a brief little introduction. If you hit the subscribe button, you'll be able to see how this progresses, and we'll keep you posted as we progress.